Hey there, viewers. We're here today with the Simplicity Wonder. This is the tandem version of the Simplicity Wonder canister, and I'm here to show you guys how to reel in the 28-foot cord. On similar canisters in the industry, a lot of times there's a push button that you would actually press on to retract the cord in. With the Simplicity, um, I'm going to also highlight some features. What's really cool is that the cord reel is actually rather easy to pull out. So it's not like some of the other manufacturers out there where you have to really pull hard to get the cord to retract. Another handy feature is they give you these two little pieces of markers on the cord itself. Yellow means you're getting close to the end, and red means you've kind of reached the end, so don't pull further. That way you have kind of a visual indication of how long your cord actually is, and that way you don't overextend pulling it out. A common problem with vacuum cleaners that have retractable cord reels is sometimes people overextend them and yank on them too hard and can ruin the reel. So that's a handy feature. You get 28 feet of length, which gives you plenty of length to cover any average size home. And all you need to do to retract the cord reel in is just give it a simple tug and it will reel the cord in for you automatically. The other thing that's cool about this system is they have a little locking area for the cord. So if you wanted to actually limit the length or prevent it from accidentally getting yanked in automatically. So let's say you're vacuuming along and you tug on it and you don't want to accidentally engage the cord reel, you can actually lock it in place right there. And that way you don't accidentally reel the cord in if you're actually in the middle of a clean. That could be handy if you're going up and down the stairs because you're probably going to need the full length of the cord, or if you're getting in and around the garage or the car or the basement and you don't want it to automatically retract on itself. Stay tuned for more updates on the new Simplicity Wonder canister.